Hi, I'm Scott, and today I'm shining the spotlight on our Thanks and Gratitude Kit by Delightly. Every kit is hand-selected and ready to give, whether that's to your recipient's desk or directly to your doorstep. Tucked within this sturdy magnetic closure box is a sweetly scented cinnamon vanilla candle in a gift box with ribbon. You also receive our Delightly exclusive mason jar plant kit. You have the option of leaving this blank, or you can add a personalized touch by adding their name or logo to the jar. Need ideas? We've got a talented team and a catalog of designs for you to take advantage of to create the perfect moment of recognition. Give them the tools they need to put down their thoughts of gratitude. We provide a Delightly exclusive 7.25 by 10 softcover journal with 160 line pages. This is the perfect place to list all the words of thanks. Sometimes you need to go to your meeting in style. All you need is our sleek gray cotton tote. Your teammates will do a double take as you enter the room with this must-have item. Last but not least, all of our Delightly kits include a 3x5 card featuring a sweet sentiment. The back is blank for you to add a personal note or leave as is for ready-to-go giving. The personalized kits have the option of adding a typed note to the back of the card. This kit is the perfect gift for anyone looking to share thanks and gratitude for a new hire, an anniversary, or a retirement.